Hey there, I'm Vishal from AppMelodies, and today, we're building something simple, stunning, and seriously fun using Flutter. It's called Tap to Survive, a lightning-fast reflex game that runs beautifully on Android, iOS, and even the web, and yes, it's perfect for beginners. No assets, no plugins, just pure Flutter magic. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Create a new Flutter project. Open Android Studio or VS Code, whichever you prefer. Click on New Flutter Project, name it tap_to_survive. Make sure to check Android, iOS, and web. Then hit Create, and your project is ready to go. Step 2. Update your pubspec.yaml. Open your pubspec.yaml file, it's where your app's setup lives. Replace its contents with the code from the blog post. It's clean and simple, no extra plugins, just Flutter. Step 3. Download the game code. We've made this super easy. Download the zip file from the blog post or description. Unzip it, and copy the main.dart file into your project's lib folder. This file includes the full game, splash screen, reflex logic, scoring, and a stylish game over screen. Step 4. Run and play. Now select your device. It could be an emulator, a real phone, or even your browser. Click the green Run button, and that's it. You're now playing your own reflex game. Just tap the screen quickly to survive. Each tap resets the timer. Stop tapping, and the game ends. It's fast. It's fun. And it's all yours. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to subscribe to AppMelodies. Give this video a like. And let me know in the comments what game or app you want me to build next. Grab the full blog post, project code, and download links at appmelodies.com. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy building! Let me know if you want a shorter version for YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels, or a studio-style narration breakdown with pauses.